Indian Wells residents can search for public records, such as business licenses and inspections, with the self-service portal. To get started, go to cityofindianwells.org/permit hub and click the Indian Wells Permit Hub image to access the self-service portal. Once on the homepage, log in and click on the Search tab in the menu bar to start a new public records search. Public records can be found using keywords or addresses, or by filtering your search with one of the following categories: permit, plan, inspection, code case, request, license, or project. Check the exact phrase box to narrow the results displayed to match the exact keywords entered. You can export the list of results as a spreadsheet by clicking the Export button in the top right corner. Click Reset if you would like to restart your search. Blue text indicates that there are attachments with more information linked to that record. Simply click on the name or license number to pull up additional documents and details for each record. If you have any questions, please call Indian Wells City Hall at 760-346-2489.